Welcome. In front of me is a REALME GT Neo2, and today I'll show you how to capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, you want to open up the content that you wish to capture, which I'll be using settings as an example for this. And once it's open and visible on the screen, you can either press the power key and volume down at the same time. And I believe that's one way, and check if there's another one. And there's a second one with a simple gesture of 3-finger swipe down, as you just seen. So I'm going to repeat that right now. You can see it right now. Additionally, there's a scroll option right here. When you click on it, it starts scrolling the content down. You can tap on it to stop it. You can drag it yourself, and this will capture a screenshot straight from the very top that you have it started at till however far down you want to scroll down. Once you click on done, it will process it, and as you can see, there it is, the long version of the screenshot. So from here, tap on a check mark, and this will save it. And now all the screenshots that I have captured can be found in our Photos application. And you can see them right over here. There is one, there's two, and then there's third one, scrollable one. So that is how you capture a screenshot on this phone, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.